everyone, and welcome back to the Success Coach. Today we're going to be doing patterns with even and odd numbers. Here is our first question. What is the sum of an odd number plus an odd number? So first, let's draw this out. Let's say an odd number would be number 3, then another odd number would be number 5. So 3 plus 5, that's the sum. So what is the sum? 3 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 8 is an even number. So for this problem, the sum of an odd number plus an odd number would be an even. But that's what we know for only this time. So let's do another one. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 12 is also even. So that gives us the answer that the answer would be always even. Which of the following have an even product? So 4 times 3 is equivalent to, so 4 times 3 is equivalent to 12, which is even. 5 fives is 5 times 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. And an even number times an even number is always even. So the ones that have an even product would be A and C. Which of the following have an odd sum? So 3 times 8 is equivalent to 11. An odd number plus an odd number would be an even number. And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So which of these have an odd sum? A and C. Liam multiplies two numbers and gets an even product. Which could be true about the numbers Liam multiplied? So he multiplied two numbers and gets an even product. That means he probably multiplied two even numbers. Even times even is even. And odd times odd is equivalent to, it would be an odd. But if it is even times odd, it would be even. So he multiplies two numbers and gets an even product, which means he did one of these. So it would be both of those answers. Anyway, guys, that is all what we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos like this. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode!